We need like just.
Hey guys, it's me, Out of Greatest Dancer. I'm just hanging out with a couple of my friends. You know, Mitchell, the Riddler, Maddie, not on YouTube. Yeah, we're just hanging out. We were watching some TV, but we turned it off. Yeah.
Turn the light on.
We're eating some goldfish. We see that. Yeah, and
There's no more.
whatever this is. Oh, no, wait, there's no more.
Done.
It was Checkmate. Yeah.
What? Wait, where's the trash can?
Oh, what is trash can? I don't know. So,
It's upstairs.
yeah, you know, just making a video randomly.
I don't like that, Rob.
Yeah.
It's just random.
So, yeah, say hi to people. Yeah, they're my best friends. They live like right next to me. So,
Where's next?
yeah, subscribe.
Well, I'm not his next door neighbor,
hold on.
but I'm his next door neighbor.
Okay, she is his next door neighbor who lives right next to me.
So basically, I'm over here, he's right here.
Oh, shut up. Just shut up. Alright, so, yes, comment, subscribe, rate. Yeah. See ya.